We are out here at the conclusion of the Wesley Chapel Barndo project. It is open house day, and man, it seems like it's been a process to get here, but it's finally here.
It's building, it's construction.
Yep.
It is a process. That's why we're transparent, because it doesn't happen smoothly like everyone says it does. It's a process, but they've been closed now for quite a few months now.
Yes, beginning of November. Yep.
Right, and we've been blessed that they allowed us to come in during Christmas time, 1 week before Christmas, and they're allowing us to do an open house so we can check out a tour.
Dude, you gotta see how they went ahead and went all out. It's like Macy's Day Christmas in there. It's amazing.
So guys, check it out. All right, guys, it's Christmas here in Pasco County, Wesley Chapel. Nick, what do we do here today?
Listen, we have had our first walkthrough of this amazing barn door. We're glad that we had customers that enjoyed the process and are willing to speak to everybody. We're getting covered here in bubbles right now.
This is not bubbles, this is snow, Nick. This is snow. Okay. It was a good time. We had a lot of people, there was a lot of interest. So if you want a barn door or if you want a home build, barndo.build the contractor on Facebook.
We'll see you in 2025.
We're just gonna have to let it run, dude. Screw it. 2, go. Go!
Merry Christmas!
2. All right, guys. So we hope you enjoyed this. We hope you enjoyed the tour. It's Christmas here in Florida. It's Christmas here in Wesley Chapel.
Sure is.
I'm supposed to go.
What are we doing here? All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the tour. This is
Wesley Chapel. This was just a glimpse. There goes the snow. Dude.